This is a 1953 Smith Corona Clipper typewriter. It has been refurbished. Everything works as it should, and it's ready to type. This machine types really well, and the finish is in pretty good shape. It's a Clipper model. It does have some blemishes and marks on it, spots. A spot there. There's a real light scratch across the top here, and some little blue dots. There's a little bit of a mark on the front corner here. The biggest blemish on the finish is on this top left side. There's a mark here. And the back also has some scratches and chips on it. But overall, it looks really good. That's a 1953 Clipper. This machine also comes with its original case, which is a wooden case that is cloth covered. It's in pretty good shape. It does have some wear in the corners. There's a light mark across there. It's clean, solid, and it latches well. That's for the 1953 Smith Corona Clipper.